Insurers include alerted how the price of new journey policies could quickly grow if the principles of a Brexit transactions aren't clogged out following 1 week. Drivers' departure on feast could requirement as well requirement additional office work, the Associate of UK Insurers told. Following Thursday, Main Secretary Theresa will try to win treaty on a Brexit transfer time. The division for entering the EU told it was concentrated on receive a nice result for the UK and the EU. He's just 2 weeks before the yearly policies insurers sale will requirement to insure lid for Brexit date, the March 29 following year. If down there's a transfer time, maybe to the end of 2020, the trial is anticipated to conduct on as up. But if down there's no treaty following 1 week, insurers say they will include to terror the lowest. They could begin precautionary engine policy holders how they will requirement a verdant map, and world paper proof you include insurance coverage, while they driving their cars in the EU following Brexit. And if nomadic people can't rely on their Europe public health insurance coverage lid, EHIC, cards, that enable them to care treat through the EU, the cost of journey insurance coverage will be struck. Hugh Evans, the CEO General of the Associate of UK Insurers, told, he's really essential how the by the government reaches treaty following 1 week in our Europe partners. Nomadic people and motorists could readily be violated if we don't include an treaty for which happens while we keep the EU in March 2019, he told. It would indicate additional expenses and additional squabble. Of year insurers will do certainly how motorists and holidaymakers are coded and are secured in the way they requirement to be. But if thou re a car owner it would indicate how you may requirement to show verdant map document at a boundary cross. And if you are a vacationer it will how you will include a to buy a journey insurance coverage politics how relating you for things how are now coded by the EHIC map, that will perhaps price you more than. The by the government appears upbeat how the position when occur. The division for entering the EU told it was more sure on a transactions in the EU and how the perspective of outgoing out of one had diminished considerably. A UK by the government representative told, we are concentrated on receive a nice result, one how planned for the human beings and business community of the UK and EU. We wish our next relation in the EU to be a profound and specific association, take in both of economical and safety collaboration. We do not wish or wait a no transactions result, the representative added.